How to remove recycle bin from desktop Windows 11. Is that pesky recycle bin cluttering up your desktop in Windows 11? Want it gone for good? Then keep watching. In just 60 seconds, I will show you the quick and easy way to remove the recycle bin and reclaim a clean, organized desktop. To remove the recycle bin icon from your Windows 11 desktop, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen to open the Start menu. Select the Settings icon, represented by a gear shape, to open the Windows Settings application. In Settings, click on Personalization in the left sidebar. Under Themes, scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings. Uncheck the box next to Recycle Bin to hide the icon from your desktop. Click Apply to save the change. Then, click OK to confirm. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily remove the recycle bin icon from your Windows 11 desktop for a cleaner look. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post new tutorial videos every single day.